We are going to discuss natural disaster in Tamil Nadu. A sudden natural catastrophe that causes great damage or loss to lives and properties is called as disaster. According to United Nations Office for Disaster Risk Reduction, disaster risk reduction is the concept and practice of reducing disaster risk through systematic efforts to analyze and reduce the causal factors of disaster. This including reducing exposure to hazards, lessening the vulnerability of the people and property, wise management of land and the environment, and improving preparedness and early warning for adverse events. Here we will discuss about natural disaster in Tamil Nadu and measures to be adopted before, during and after different disasters. Landslide. A collapse of a mass of earth or rock from a mountain or cliff is called landslide. Water is the most common trigger of landslide. Nilgiri in Tamil Nadu is identified as one of the most vulnerable districts in the country. The landslides pose a major threat in this area. The other regions which are prone to landslides are Coimbatore and Palani Hills of Thindigal districts where Kodaikanal Hill Station is located. Risk reduction measures. Before create awareness, stay alert and awake, monitor the news updates, make evacuation plan, listen for any unusual sounds that might indicate moving debris such as trees cracking, builders knocking, and consider leaving the place of landslides if it is safe to do so. After, stay away from the slide area, listen to local radio and television stations for the latest emergency information. Watch for flooding, which may occur after the landslides or debris flow. Check for injured and trapped persons near the slide without entering the direct slide area. Flood. Flood is a common one in the coastal districts of Tamil Nadu during northeast monsoon. The recent flood occurs in the state was in 2015. Risk reduction measures. Before, know about relief centers and the evacuation routes, keep emergency phone numbers and important for informations, fold and roll up things onto higher grounds. During, be quick, keep safe and ensure that children and elderly are safe by leaving the house to higher ground. Turn off all electrical appliances and gas. Leave the area before it gets too late. Do not drive through the water. Stay away from power lines or broken power transmission cables and try to keep away from the flood water. After, make sure to get back inside your house. Keep all power and electrical appliances off before it is okay to put them on or wear appropriate dress before cleaning houses, which is necessary to clean the contaminations. Cyclone. The coastal regions of Tamil Nadu are often hit by the tropical cyclones formed in Bay of Bengal during northeast monsoon. Occurrence of flood, losses to lives and property are the recurring one in the state. Based on the cyclone hit area, The state of Tamil Nadu can be divided into 5 zones, namely very high, high, medium, low, and very low cyclone prone zones. Risk reduction measures. Before, ignore rumors, stay calm, do not be panic, keep your mobile phones charged to ensure connectivity, use SMS, listen to radio, watch TV, read newspapers for weather updates. Keep your documents and valuable in waterproof containers. Prepare an emergency kit with essential items for survival. Secure your house, carry out repairs, do not leave sharp objects loose. Untie cattle, animals for their safety. Fishermen should keep a radio set with the extra batteries handy. Keep boats and rafts tied up safety and do not venture out in the sea. During, take care of the old and young. Keep all family members inside the house. Switch off all electrical appliances. Stay in an empty room. Movable items should be kept securely tied. Try to help your neighbors, but do not go out during the cyclone. After, those who shifted to the cyclone center must remain there till instructions are received. Strictly avoid loose electrical wires after the cyclone. Beware of snakes and other animals immediately after the cyclone. Clear debris and carcasses from near the premise after the cyclone and report losses truthfully and accurately to the authorities.